From the Forewarn Weather Center, Chief Meteorologist David Paul.
We are looking at some cooler air coming in for the nights ahead. Low temps, upper 40s to lower 50s. Sunshine through the weekend. Good to see that sunshine today, and there's more sun on the way. This evening, temperatures cooling off, but still feeling pretty good. Still bad data coming in from Abbeville, but it's 65 in Eufaula, 68 Dothan, 70 Ozark, 70 Donaldsonville, 71 now in Mariana. Northward, we've got some really cool air. 57 Memphis, 58 Nashville. That cooler air settles southward for tonight and for the coming mornings as well. Tomorrow morning, upper 40s to lower 50s as we go into the weekend. Even cooler air, about 47 on average Saturday morning at 6. And then for Sunday morning, again, low temperatures in the upper 40s, but high temperatures will be in the 70s for the coming days. Nice weather overall. We are dry locally, no rain here. Some showers, some clouds well east of us. That came on through this morning. We've got a lot of dry air coming in on the backside of that area of low pressure, so enjoy the drop in humidity, which will linger all the way through the weekend. Temperatures really dropping this evening and overnight, much cooler than it has been. Most areas around 50 tomorrow morning with a clear sky, some low clouds here and there east of us. As we go through tomorrow, sunshine midday, upper 60s, high temps likely popping into the lower 70s. No cloud cover to show you tomorrow. Winds coming in from the north at about 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow evening, cooling pretty good. 50s out there by 10 p.m. By early Saturday morning, lows in the upper 40s to middle 40s. That is pretty close to normal. As we go into Saturday, more sun midday into the afternoon. High temperatures back into the lower to middle 70s. Let's go to our tropical update. Good news to share with you as we continue tracking this tropical disturbance in the Caribbean, which is now Tropical Storm Sarah. A very big circulation, but the good news is the center of that circulation is pretty close to land. That's Honduras right there. If this center were up here, this could be a Cat 4, Cat 5 storm. That's what some of the models were showing. But because that center is so close to land, that interaction will keep this a weaker system as it moves westward, moving west now at about 10 miles per hour. So the center of circulation kind of along the coast and then crossing the Yucatan this weekend. That might completely disrupt that circulation and bring it down to a remnant low by Monday morning. So that's some good news for areas that were concerned across the southeast part of the country of a perhaps big hurricane hit next week. Not looking likely. That moisture, though, will be tracking northward and then turning to the northeast. And for us, that's actually some good news because we need the moisture without the wind. And that looks to be the scenario unfolding. So there's that weak circulation Sunday into Monday crossing the Yucatan and then being pulled northward by this incoming cold front. So Tuesday, some pretty good shower activity. I did up that rain chance for Tuesday, and it may be a good soaker on Tuesday. So we'll keep watching the trends, which are pointing towards pretty good rainfall for the early part of next week. Red flags at the coast tomorrow, 75. That water temperature, 51 tonight. Clear and cooler tomorrow. Sun and 73 with north winds. Tough to beat that. How about 74 Saturday, 77 Sunday. Looking great. Morning lows in the upper 40s. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Tuesday, there's that rain chance. I did up it to 50. Could be more widespread than that. So we'll watch that. A break Wednesday. And then that big cold front actually passes Wednesday night, Thursday morning. So Thursday, 60s. Behind that front, you can't see it yet in the 7-day forecast, but going out 10 days, we've got upper 30s to lower 40s for lows for the end of next week and the following weekend, with highs probably only lower 60s. So it's going to cool off in a big way behind that front.
Just in time for Thanksgiving, I feel like.
Yes, a big pattern change for really the entire second half of the month.
It's so interesting to see how the highs were in the 80s for so long, and we were thinking, is it really November? What's going on? That's how it is here in Southeast Alabama, but glad to see that the highs are in the 70s, so it's starting to feel like fall in Alabama. You can wear kind of a light jacket and not be sweating drinking your pumpkin spice latte.
It makes a big difference. We've got some yellow on, some mustard. To celebrate the sunshine today as well. So we're in tune with it.
We have missed the sunshine so much. It was gloomy this morning, like you mentioned.
It was.
And I just knew that the sunshine was going to be coming out because that's what you told us, and there it was.
There was the sunshine. The
it
clouds
was so
breaking
nice.
Up. Beautiful to see.
Thanks so much, David.